Hey there, my name's Alex, and in this tablet tutorial, we'll be completing a trip. Now let's go over what we have on the screen here. This is our current trip, trip number 74, and you can see there's two stops. The first stop, the label says P, that stands for pickup, and the second stop has the letter D, that stands for drop off or delivery. Now keep in mind, not every trip will have one pickup and one drop off. Some of them will have two pickups, or some of them will have two drop offs, or even more than that. But just keep in mind that label in the top left hand corner of each stop tells you what you have to do at that stop. So let's get started with this trip by clicking the Start Trip button in the bottom right hand corner. So now our first stop is highlighted, and you can see there's two additional buttons. Start Nav, that uses our in-app turn-by-turn truck navigation, and then there's I'm Here. So once you show up to the location, you can click the I'm Here button. Once you do, you can see the button now changes to I'm Loaded. But before we get loaded, we have some documents to attach, correct? So click the Attach button, and then click Add, and then you'll be given a choice. Would you like to upload an image, or would you like to upload a document? In our case, we're going to select document, and for my example, I wrote check-in receipt on a piece of paper, but let's say you actually did go through the security gate and they gave you a check-in receipt. That might be a good thing to upload, right? The blue bounding box is it finding the paper in your image. So once it automatically takes the picture and scans the document and converts it to a PDF, it'll give you a preview, and you can just click next in the bottom right hand corner. So the documents for the pickup stop are now uploaded and ready to go. This is great. But now you're loaded and you'd like to take a picture of your load. This is how you do that. Click on the attachment button. You can see there's our document right there, and we're going to click on the add button. And when prompted with the choice, we're going to click on image this time. Here you can see I put a cardboard box in the trunk of my car to represent the load that we're going to be taking a picture of. And unlike the documents, it doesn't automatically take the picture, so we have to click the button and the picture will get uploaded. And here you can see both our image and our document are listed and uploaded, and we can go back to the trip and we can click I'm Loaded. So now the delivery stop is highlighted with the same three buttons we had before: Info, Start Nav, and I'm Here. And just like before, the Info button gives you information about the stop, the Start Nav button opens up our in-app turn-by-turn truck navigation, and the I'm Here marks you arrived at the location. Adding an attachment to the delivery stop is the same as adding an attachment to the pickup stop. You click our Add Attachment button, you click on Add, you click Document, and then the camera opens and it scans the signed BOL in this example, and that gets uploaded automatically for your fleet managers and your dispatchers to see. And the last two steps to complete this trip would be to mark I'm Done on the delivery stop, and in the bottom right hand corner, click End Trip. And there you go. That's completing a trip from start to finish. Thank you.